Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this banana berries frozen yogurt bars. Absolutely fantastic for these summer months ahead. The recipe comes from the Nabisco Honey Made website. I've had a lot of people tell me about these. They'd like to know how to make them, so here we go. You're going to need 1 cup of your no-fat Greek yogurt, 1/4 of a cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of bananas, 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of a low-fat Cool Whip, or you may use the regular Cool Whip, and 10 of your graham crackers, whole graham crackers. So let me show you how we're going to make this. In a 9-inch baking dish, I'm going to add plastic wrap, or if you want to use tin foil, you may do that too. We're going to snuggle it down into the bottom here until we have the plastic wrap secured in all corners. And the plastic wrap is hanging over the edge. Add the plastic wrap in the opposite direction. Line the bottom with these graham crackers, and you see the pretty side? You're going to put that down, face down in the bottom of your pan. And make sure you snap them in half, pretty side down. When you get to the edge, you just want to snap it in half and lie it right here on the edge until you've got your graham cracker bottom looking like that. Set this off to the side. Add your Greek yogurt. Use a spatula. You'll get it all out of your bowl that way. And your Cool Whip. Get it off your spatula and give this a lovely little whisking. So these two ingredients are well blended with each other. That looks excellent. Add that pureed fruit. We're going to blend the ingredients in with that whipped cream and Greek yogurt, and oh my yums. I can smell those berries and they smell so nice and fresh, just like the summertime. Back with our graham crackers. You want to see how they're laid out? 3 big ones, 1, 2, 3, and a small one. Add this fruit and whipped cream right to the top of your graham crackers. Spread your mixture evenly to corner to corner. We're coming back with those graham crackers pretty side up, and we're going to start over here. You want this perforation area here in the graham cracker going the same way as the bottom. Okay, and just push it down in there. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so yummy and delicious. And then the small ones go right here on the edge. Just want to push them down in there. Just make sure they're securely in a even layer. Cover it with our plastic wrap. You may need to use an additional sheet if it doesn't cover the top. And as you can see, you want to just kind of pull it there away from the edge all the way around. And now this is off to the freezer for the next 4 hours. I'm just going to lift it out of its 9 by 9 inch pan. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the plastic here from our frozen bars. Where we see the filling is where I'm going to be cutting these. And looky there at the inside. And I'm going to go ahead and slice them. You can do them like this. Now, look how beautiful that is on the inside. Ooh, I see those strawberries, the blueberries. I can even smell the bananas. You can cut in your regular half graham cracker sizes, or you can cut again in half. I'm making 1/4 of the size of these graham crackers. And there you've got it. Just keep them frozen. I would go ahead and wrap these individually in plastic wrap or your aluminum foil, whatever you're most comfortable in. Remember, it'll stay colder longer in your aluminum foil. Let's see what it tastes like. That banana flavor, the blueberries, the strawberries. It almost tastes like a smoothie. Refreshing, light, low fat, a perfect summer delight. And the graham cracker crust reminds me of those ice cream bars. It's delicious. Enjoy your summer with these. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment. Give me thumbs up. Thanks a million for watching. Follow me here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.